Contrary to popular belief, perfect storm is not a new idiom in the English language. Although it was repopularized by the 1997 book by Sebastian Junger called The Perfect Storm and the subsequent movie of the same title starring George Clooney, the term has been used in English since at least the early 1800s. And certainly long before this, during the early 1700s, if not earlier, it was used in nautical jargon to describe actual storms at sea. Now, let's see if we can get a perfect storm of thumbs ups and comments on this video. To be honest, to keep making these videos, I need some encouragement, and YouTube needs to know that this is a quality video and that you like it. So let's see if we can get 40 likes in the next 24 hours. That's not very many. If I can't get that many, that will let me know that you guys don't want me to keep making new videos regularly, and I can move on to writing articles and the things that actually earn me a living. So remember to hit that thumbs up button if you want more new idiom videos on a regular basis. Meaning of the English idiom, perfect storm. A perfect storm is the simultaneous occurrence of rare or chance events that together produce an unusually bad problem or event, often a catastrophic one. Usage notes. The term perfect storm was originally applied to unfortunate and unpleasant events. However, it has long been used more generally to describe even pleasant and welcome ones. The idiom is often overused in nonsensical ways and applied to mundane occurrences or situations. For example, I used it this way in the introduction of this video. Examples of use. We only have 2 people working, the power went out, and everyone is going to want to buy groceries before the snow hits. I see a perfect storm brewing. The previous administration's buffoonery and the shortage of health workers caused a perfect storm during the height of the pandemic. We now have a perfect storm of low interest rates, easily available credit, and rising household cost. Trump appearing on the scene, growing racial tensions, and the Republican Party divorcing itself from governing to focus on keeping power was a perfect storm. Origin of idiom. Since at least the early 1700s, perfect storms have been described at sea. This occurs when multiple dangerous weather conditions combine to create an immensely powerful storm. By the 1800s, this nautical idiom was being used more generally to describe any combination of chance events that combine to create an extremely unfortunate situation.